All right, now to continue on. Okay, those are crickets. Some kind of noisy insects anyway. Cool. Got moss in that log. Now what I need to do is learn to play some songs on the guitar and pair it with my nature hikes. That would be pretty cool together. I bought some pumpkins today because I want to make some. I want to look up some recipes for pumpkin cookies and some vegan pumpkin cheesecake bars. There's a moss going on a tree. It looks kind of cool. I should start some prayer journaling again. I was listening to this sermon about how we ask God for things, how we need to focus on our relationship with Him. Wondering how to balance that out. I don't know, it's just kind of challenging. I feel sort of stuck because I'm struggling daily with these health challenges. I wish this could be fixed in one day or 1 week. 14 years gets kind of old after a while. It's mentally drained to constantly fight these hormone issues. I don't know what plant it is, but something smells really sweet out here. What is that? Somewhere in my garage I have a native Tennessee plant book. Whatever plant that is, I wish I could grow it in my yard. That smells really nice. I love plants. One of my dreams is if I could find my chainsaw, learn how to use it, is to cut down some of the trees on my property, rent a stump grinder, and then use the tiller that we have. And I would love to plant some flowers and grow them spring through fall flowers and have them on my table every Friday for Sabbath, and then try to sell some and have a side bakery. I just don't know how to have dreams like that when I still need to have a job to provide better for the family. I'm praying to figure it all out. Just walking out in nature could help clear your head. I love the sounds of the birds. I should try putting my feet in that ice cold water. That'll wake me up in a quick minute. There's a dried spot right here, or the little walk bridge. Mm. There's that sweet smell again. Wow, I wish I... Ooh, look at this. Look at these pretty flowers. I wonder if I could take a picture while I'm videoing. I'm gonna try. I wonder if I took a... This is so pretty. I wonder what kind of wildflowers they are. Do they smell? No, they smell a terrible smell, whatever they are. Definitely not sweet, that's for sure. There's a sweet smell coming. Oh, oh, is that honeysuckle? I think I might see. Maybe that's where one of our sweet smells might be coming from, way over there. Yeah, that looks like honeysuckle over there. Huh. I think I smell someone starting a fire. Pathfinder Club's going camping in a few weeks. I wonder if I bought a tent if some of my kids would want to go camping with me, maybe at Harrison Bay. I don't think I've ever camped there yet. Even though my kids are no longer in Pathfinders, I'd still love to go camping with them and make some good memories. Hot dogs and s'mores. I think I'll talk to the kids about it, including Debbie and Daniel that live an hour from here. Let's see if they want to go camping. That would be fun. I need to check to see if my camp stove is still good. It's just nothing like unplugging, going camping. As long as it's good weather, it's kind of challenging when it's wet and rainy. The kids and I, the girls, I don't know about Joshua, but the girls and I lose our enthusiasm for camping if it's wet, cold, and rainy. Ah, that fresh air smells so good. I was trying to capture this small butterfly flying around. I'm about to turn my camera off in a minute because I'm coming up on some campers. I don't have their permission to film, so. Oh, there's more butterflies. There's something around here that smells so sweet. There's some bamboo. I wonder what group is camping over here. There's a group camping over here. A group of families. I wonder if it's a homeschooling group. Yeah, that's like young children. There's a little walking bridge right there. We got picnic blankets. My two teens and I went swimming at the Y yesterday. It was plenty cold. I miss getting together with other moms. Let's go see how the creek's doing. Oh, we have McMinn County, Bradley County, Williamson, Polk. I'm at some kind of mom's group. That's what I think it is getting together. Here's the amphitheater over there. I'm gonna walk on the other side of this trail a minute after I see the water. Maybe after lunch I should come take a dip in here to wake up for some cold water therapy. Here's another bridge. Ah, the water's up a little bit. It's moving at good speed. When I came here last week, the water was further down over here where those rocks were. Looks like the water's up again today. Maybe I should ask one of my friends if they have time to go kayaking this week. Maybe Brenda or Danielle. I think she wanted to go bike riding this week, which I gotta get my bike out of the garage. I love the sound of water. I love kayaking in it, swimming in it, camping next to it. I grew up near the ocean, but the river is just as good. Has similar properties for relaxing. I think it would be pretty cool if I could live near a body of water. It's so relaxing. Okay. Let's see what time it is. I smell that sweet plant again. I wish I knew what it was. I should ask Darwin what sweet smelling plants grow wild in Tennessee. Well, one of the nice things about living in the country, once my kids are dropped off at school, it's slower pace, but once I get a second job, I just wish I could figure out some kind of home-based ideas for home-based income. But I gotta get things more organized at home first before I even try to do that. I've got lumber on the porch I need to clear off and organize the space in the garage for it. I've watched videos on how to heal your nervous system, how to practice deep breathing. There's Lugol's iodine solution for thyroid issues. Oh, what's the other thing? Vitamin C for helping your adrenals. Oh, there was a bird over there. It just flew. You could barely see him through the trees. I think I hear a bird down near the water trying to catch a fish. I've been applying for applications at all different kinds of places. HVAC, construction, Cleveland City Schools. Well, then once I do have a second job, so how do I still balance and work on my health to heal that too? Look at that tall tree. Indeed sends me those notifications for different jobs I think I do. One of they sent me was for a speech therapist. No, afraid not. Social work doesn't. Ooh. This is something I wish I could learn. I wish somebody could. I don't know what kind of mushroom this is. I'd like to learn my different mushrooms. Which ones are edible, which ones are poisonous. Once I get things a little bit organized at home, I'd love to, designate a place where I'd like to figure out how to grow different edible mushrooms. Because I've heard some of them have some good health properties, healing properties. Oh, look, here's some more. What kind of mushrooms are there? Oh, I better pay attention. Don't accidentally touch any poison ivy. Oh, this goes down to the water right there, which I don't have any swim clothes on me right now. If I did, I'd have to make sure I have a life jacket. I don't know how deep the middle goes out there. Wonder the last time this trail was cleared. There's a big log I have to climb over. Here's some more mushrooms. that smell doesn't, it smells a bit on the bitter side. It's amazing what sounds you hear. You can just stay still and quiet. When you're in the car, of course Josh doesn't like me to have music playing. But usually, if only just the girls in the car, if I'm by myself, I put on music a lot. Why do I do that? I don't know. Maybe it's so I don't have to think about all the things I want to do and struggle to figure out how I can accomplish them. Oh. Maybe I should bring my life jacket and try to go swimming. I don't know how far deep that dog goes. I heard a bird behind me. What happened to that tree? Oh, look, there's a butterfly. Where'd he go? Oh, it's way over there. So peaceful here. I wish I could just lay down and take a nap. Ooh, there's a black and orange butterfly. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. It blends in with the leaves. Oh, it must have flown away. Okay. I'm gonna run to the families with kids. I'll turn the video off. Oh, I forgot there's a video on the hiking trail on this side. Guess I'll go ahead and sign off before I get to the porta potties and the families up ahead. So sweet. I just when my kids are little, running off.